Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning about network egress in Claude. So if you don't know about network egress in Claude, then it is a special feature that lets a user talk to the outside internet while it's running code or creating files. So you can think of it as a safety gate for data when Claude is in its sandbox performing complex tasks like data analysis or building an app. Egress setting has to determine if that sandbox has an internet connection. So this matters because the primary reason for restricting network egress is data security. If Claude is analyzing sensitive company files, you don't want it to accidentally send that data to an external server. So there are basically three main settings for this particular. The first one is that you simply toggle the network egress off from your administrative side, or also you can enable or disable it as per your requirement. So in this tutorial we will learn about the same. So to enable or access the network egress, simply go to your profile or account picture at the bottom left corner, and then from this menu choose settings. Now from here choose the capabilities option, and within the capabilities, if you'll scroll down, you can see this section that says code execution and file creation. So code execution and file creation is currently enabled, and here it says allow network egress, which means allow Claude to access common packages, managers to install packages and libraries for data analysis and file processing. So if you wish to enable this, you can do that, but generally it is recommended that you disable the allow network egress. To disable it, simply turn it off and it is all set. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.